I just remember that I skipped over Is It Good to You? It first was on the Juice soundtrack, and it was our first time actually seeing you in the video and on the song. Did he come up with did Teddy come up with the sort of the music, and then he said, can you write to it, or how did that particular track?
No, it was on Heavy D first. It was Heavy D and the Boys came out first.
You know, I actually thought you got, okay, so they came out with it first.
That song came out first. Heavy D and the Boys came out first. And then an executive from MCA knew about the Juice movie. And she asked Teddy, could he do something very similar for that, for the Juice soundtrack? And so then that's what he did. And when he did that, he said, can you write some lyrics to it? And I did, because the first one was Heavy D doing the rap, and I was just singing on the hook.
Okay.
I sang on both versions, though.
Yeah, yeah. And but the same thing. He didn't want to put you in the video, or it was. Did you mind that you weren't in his video?
Listen, you got to speak to Heavy D and the Boys about that. I don't know about it. You know, this is what I'm trying to explain to you. I wasn't privy to the business. So it wasn't like when it came out, you got to realize how magical things seem to me. I'm just, you know, Teddy's like, hey, I got something, come down, blah, blah, blah. Come down, I'm singing, I'm in the booth, you know, whatever. So after that happened, it's not like I go home and like, well, do we have a deal yet? Did you place the song yet? It's none of that. None of that. Yeah, yeah. I just went back home, back to Harlem, hanging out with my friends. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Chilling, relaxing, and maxing. You know what I'm saying? and then he would get back to me, and then you find out the song was out, and that was it. Mm-hmm. I didn't get involved with the business end of the music business. I just really stayed with the music part of it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
when you record the one for Juice and they're saying, okay, we're going to have Teddy Riley featuring Tammy Lucas, so this is almost introducing you to the world. What was how did you feel about?
I was super nervous, of course.
Is that what the sunglasses were for?
Yeah. Well, I don't even know. I guess I was wearing them around that time. I guess that was what it was for. I don't even know. I know we did 2 videos. We did 2 videos because we had one video and they didn't really like the outfit that I had on. So I went back and did a second video.
Okay.
The one that you see was, of course, the one that was the keeper.
Because they had the version with Akil rapping, and then they had one that didn't have the rap at first.
No, they both had it.
Okay. Okay.
Well, the one that I'm in is the one with Teddy and Rex and Effect.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
In Fruit.
Both
Okay.
both of them. They had, you know.
What did it do for you when you actually were now on rotation on your videos out? Did it change much?
You know what? I just didn't take it that way. I don't know what to tell you. I know it sounds very strange. I'm one of these type of people. I'm shy. I'm not shy when it comes to music that I love to do, you know, when I'm writing and singing and producing and doing all that. But as far as I wasn't so busy thinking about, okay, I'm going to be on stage. Okay. I wasn't thinking about it like that. You know what I mean? And you know, I guess maybe that's why it was easy for me to fall into more songwriting and producing. You know what I'm saying? You know, had I been one of those people that will had my eye on the prize of being out there front and center stage, I would have. But my love was the music, you know what I mean? And I guess I was a little, I probably, you know, a whole bunch nervous about putting myself out there.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, to press the notification bell so that you can be notified when we do have a new interview. Loads to come, but thanks a lot for watching.